Placing applications closer to data sources lowers costs, reduces latency, and improves customer experiences. For many businesses, reaching outside the confines of the data center has clear advantages. But for organizations with unique performance or compliance needs, edge computing presents significant challenges, like limited space or connectivity. Here's where Red Hat and AWS can help. AWS Outposts extends the power and scale of AWS to an appliance that organizations utilize on-premises at edge locations to run workloads smoothly with other AWS services. Together, Red Hat OpenShift on AWS Outposts offers a seamless hybrid cloud, enabling organizations to more securely and consistently deliver workloads to the edge. So they process data faster, run latency-sensitive applications with confidence, and meet strict data residency requirements. Imagine an agile platform that allows you to operate consistently no matter your size, location, or environment. A managed on-premises platform makes it easier to deliver applications where they're needed and tolerate environmental variables. With AWS managed hardware running as an extension of your existing AWS environment, you can focus on building and delivering applications that generate revenue, not administration of hardware. With Red Hat OpenShift, you utilize the same innovative features and functionality that Kubernetes is known for, right where you need it, from assembly lines to hospitals to remote offices anywhere in the world, seamlessly across your hybrid cloud. Ready to extend your infrastructure out to the edge, put the right applications in the right place, and drive new experiences that were previously impossible? Red Hat OpenShift on AWS Outposts helps get you there. Learn more. Contact us today.